In this video, we're showing you how you can fix and stop your Discord mic cutting out. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. And please do watch this video right until the end so the 4 steps you can go and do to go and stop this issue from happening, and let's go and get straight into this. So here we are on Discord, and let's go and fix this issue where your Discord mic is cutting out. So the first thing you want to do is come to the bottom left of Discord, and you want to go and click on the user settings, which is the settings gear next to your Discord username. So go and click on there just here, and it's going to take you to your user settings. Then all you want to do is come down to app settings, and then you want to go and look for voice and video. Then as you can see, we're at the top, it's going to say voice settings, and this is the place you want to be. Now there are a few different settings you want to go and try. So the first thing I recommend doing is actually moving your mic closer to your mouth. Essentially, when Discord doesn't hear your voice loudly, it's going to go and cut out the mic just to reduce background noise. So if your mic is too far away and you're speaking quietly, it's going to cut it out. Just moving your mic closer to your mouth is going to make a huge difference, and I really recommend trying that. As well as doing that, you could also go and try making the input mode push to talk. What this is going to go and do is going to go and remove this whole thing of input sensitivity, and when this is basically not being used, it's going to go and stop cutting off your mic. But push to talk is really annoying because you have got to go and hold a button every time you want to go and talk. So you could go and say hold the letter O, and every time you want to talk you have to hold the letter O, and when you don't want to talk you then go and release O. But I'm aware that is really irritating, so we can go and make this a little bit more automatic. So go and click on voice activity again, and then all you want to do is go and make sure you go and switch this thing off called automatically determine input sensitivity. Turn this off, and then you can go and change this. If you go and turn up the sensitivity very high, what this is going to go and do is it's not going to go and detect when you're speaking, and therefore it's going to be cutting out. So you want it to be quite low, and what having it lower will actually do is that it needs less of a sound to go and start activating your mic. So it's going to stop cutting out when you're speaking, even if you're speaking quietly or even if your mic's far away. So having it lower is probably better, and it's going to go and stop cutting out. But if you're really low, it's also going to keep transmitting background noise. So there is a balance, and you probably will have to test it with a friend who can tell you how you sound and if you're still cutting out. There we go guys, that is how you can go and fix your Discord mic cutting out. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like for more. Peace.